Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create chat tabs on your Telegram app like this. This is really great if you want to organize your contacts in tabs such as family, friends and work. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. So to begin with, let's open up the Telegram app. Now tap on settings, then tap on chat folders. Now on this screen you want to create a new folder, so go ahead and tap on create new folder. Create a name of that folder. Now at the bottom, include the contacts you want to add in the folder by tapping on add chats. You can also select contacts which you want to exclude out of this folder. Then tap on create at the top right. Once you've done that, you can also create another one by following the same process as before. Now once you're done, to view your folder, go back to the main Telegram page, then tap on chat. At the top you'll notice all your folders. Tap on the folder to access the contact list. And there you go, that is how to create chat tabs on your Telegram app. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.